All right, now we're gonna start our ab series. So we'll place the ball behind the back. I prefer kind of between the shoulder blades so you have a little bit more support. And once you're here, all right, we're gonna place our hands behind our head, and I want you to really just lean your head into your hands to have some support. And we're going to start with our curl ups. Inhale, we lower the head and the chest. Exhale, we curl up, pull the belly down and in, look at your belly. And we lower. And as you come up, I want you to imagine bringing your rib cage close to your hips, so you're really pulling this towards this. And we lower. We're here for 3. Exhale, lift, 4. For 5. And on 6, we're gonna lift and stay up. And now we're gonna pulse up an inch, down an inch. For 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's stay lifted. Arms are going to come out in front of you. And now we're gonna lift the arms up by the ears, lower down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Let's take 4 more here for 4. Reaching those fingertips long. 3, 2, and on 1, we're gonna